Okay, next we'll design the little on-off switch on the side of the light. So if you go to the front viewport and notice we've got two horizontal lines this way. I want to create another horizontal line this way. So go ahead and go to Modify, click on the object, choose Element, and then go ahead and select the object so that it should highlight, and then come down to Slice Plane, and then just move this to the desired area where you want to make a slice and click Slice. And if I move this aside, you can see that it made a slice across this way. You'll see it better if I move to a different view. You can see now there's more polygons that we can work with. So from here, I want to arrange these to about the size of the switch that I want the switch to be. So I'm going to go over here to vertices and or vertex, and I'm going to move these down a little bit. I'll move this up a little. Okay, and now I'm going to switch over to polygon, and I'm going to select 4 of these polygons. The way you can make multiple polygon selections is just hold Control and select the others. And with all of those selected, I'm going to hit the delete key, and that gets rid of it. Now we're seeing through to the other side, so that's why it's not showing the hole that we've created here. If you hit F3, you should see that we've created a hole here. Or if you go to a different viewport, you can clearly see that we've created a hole in the object. So what we're seeing in the front viewport, when we see these lines here, these are the lines on the back that we're seeing. So let's go ahead and cap this border. So select border, and then find it, and the cursor will change, and that'll help you find it. And then you'll want to go down to cap, click on cap, and I'm going to hit F3 so you can see what that did. It just filled in the hole. Now we can go to a different viewport, and this is one of those cases where I'd like to work and see all the viewports. So I'm clicking on these, I'm hitting F3. So let's click on our new polygon, and we're going to use bevel again. And you can see in this viewport how far out we're extruding it. That's the height. And then this outline amount you can see better in this viewport. That's why I like to see the different viewports so I can see what's going on. Some may like to work just in the perspective view. It's just a matter of preference. So that looks about right. Now I want to go ahead and use the bevel again. So if I hit OK, it just closes the menu, but it keeps the bevel that we made. But if I hit apply, it applies this and allows me to keep this menu open and continue working with bevel. So I'm going to hit apply, and now I can make a second bevel, which I do want to do. I want it to go in. So I'm going to come down a little bit. So I'm going to hit OK and go to the perspective view and see what kind of result we got. That looks pretty good. And we can move the position up a little if we want. See, to me that looks a little bit better with it a little higher up. Okay, very good. Okay, so next let's make the little light bulb that goes in there. We can use just a sphere. I'm going to hit F3 so we can see it. And I'm going to right click on these other viewports and hit F3 so we can see. So here's our new creation right here. And I'm going to change the color to white. And now I'm just going to position it. I right clicked on this viewport. And then I'll just move it up. So if I hit F3, that's what we've got.